Hey guys, we're back with another video, and in this video we're going to talk about Xauusd, or in this case gold, and we're going to map gold for the upcoming week. It has been a long time since I've spoken to you guys, so let's jump right in. Change your chart to the monthly chart because we want to have a clear view of where this is heading. The first thing you're going to do is switch your chart to the line chart and then start adding important levels. Do not mind all the levels that I'm adding because this is according to the strategy that I currently work with. And so what I do is I normally mark out my visible support and resistance zones, whether they have been broken or not, because I always believe that price will come back and retest those levels. So in accordance to what has already happened due to fundamentals and the entire market sentiment behind gold due to the war, there's really not much to wait for. So price is currently trading really high, and it's about to test the highest point ever recorded on gold before it takes a dump. But before it drops, a few things should be taken into consideration, and one of them is distribution. So before price buys, there should be accumulation, and before price comes down, there should be a distribution. And in this case, price has not yet given a discount. Okay, ever since the beginning of the bullish movement, price has not given any discount. So if you go on the weekly time frame, when you switch the weekly time frame, you'll begin to realize that there's actually room for price to give a discount. And for this reason, I'm writing a few notes for you guys on the chart, as you can see, because you will then be able to understand where I'm heading at with this idea. So if price accumulates above this point, keep buying. But if you begin to notice a distribution, we will sell for a very long time. So from where price is at, this new week, Monday to Friday, there should be a very good selling opportunity. Yes, and I'm hoping that price stops to react solely on the war. And if that happens and we follow technicals, we should be good for those who are looking to sell big. Okay, and where do we sell to? So remember that gold has started a bullish move from the area of 1850, 1860, around that area, and it's now trading at I believe 1990 something. I believe that's the price, the current price, just below 2000. So I believe somewhere around the 1940s, 1950s, 1930s, this is where price would go back to. Okay, so if we begin to sell, if we look for sales, as you can see, I pulled up my Fibonacci retracement tool. I should be expecting gold prices to return back to the 50% level of the Fibonacci retracement tool. But these will also go in accordance to the previously drawn equilateral descending channel. So that line will be tested again, okay, that area. So what I did was I just spotted a very huge order block on the on the 4-hour time frame, which is really huge. You're not going to use that for entries. You'll have to refine that, but just for these analysis purposes, I divided it into 3 points, and those will serve as targets, okay, for those who will be looking to sell from where current price is at. But then yet again, you need to find valid entry points on lower time frames, especially on the 1-hour time frames. You might get good confirmations there, but only once you notice a distribution setup, okay, only after noticing a distribution setup. These are the potential targets for gold between November and March 2024. This move will be a very good pullback. So guys, I'm leaving notes again on the chart for you. If you read them carefully and pay attention to the technical analysis at hand, and then all you have to do is put all the pieces of the puzzle together. Okay, watch the news, okay, which is basically fundamental analysis. Follow the market sentiment, okay guys, and use proper volume tracking indicators so that you're able to realize where majority of the firms are placing their orders. Okay, once you realize that, once you figure that out, it's going to be easier for you to actually trade gold with a good track record. Okay, gold is very complex, and also you can use to advantage the DXY. Okay, so right now you can see I'm using 3 circles to point out that price is currently not broken above those the previous highs. Okay, so currently it has formed a new lower high, but it has not broken above the previous lower high. So what you're going to do is you keep that line there as a reminder that there's a lot of liquidity there, and then also there's one down, as you can see, so it clearly forms a continuation pattern. Okay, but where is it going to break to, above or below? So that will depend, okay, because these are both liquidity zones that need to be broken. Okay, my best guess, due to the way the pattern is looking like, it should be for a sell move. Okay, I'm expecting it to sell. And where would be the optimum point for selling? Well, currently where it is would be good, but for safety reasons, the best point for entry would be at the 1975 zone. But that's like, come on man, you will miss out on a lot of opportunities. So what we do is we will maintain our focus on this. Okay, if you go to the 1 hour chart, you should be able to draw better lines, and not the wicks. I just drew the wicks on the wicks because it's just for you to understand my mindset at this current point, as in what I'm currently viewing. Okay, I'm ignoring fundamentals for now as I'm conducting this technical analysis, because fundamental analysis, I do it on a daily basis. Information changes and spreads out quickly. Okay, so based on what we have analyzed here, we can find ourselves trading higher, okay, buying gold instead of selling, but this will depend on the information that will be released throughout the week. And remember that NFP was Friday, so it's a new month. Okay, we had a very bullish month, and price doesn't only move up. Okay, so expect price to distribute. Okay, and this will serve you well. This information will serve you well. The next thing I've done was, okay, I just kept a few screenshots for myself, is I moved to DXY. Okay, so watch the behavior on the dollar index. I'm expecting the dollar index to keep rising. Okay, I'm expecting the dollar index to keep rising, and if that's the case, then gold should be selling. If you look, we currently have an equilateral ascending channel, and then we have a blue line that I just drew there. That's the 50% of the Fibonacci, or we can even call it the 50% line that serves as support and resistance. In that case, when price is above it, it will serve as support, because price will then come back and test it. But if price is below it, then it serves as a resistance, and currently we haven't broken below it. Okay, so we should be hoping to see price test that zone, okay, which will then push gold prices up, maybe between Monday to Wednesday, and then from Thursday or Wednesday to Friday, we should be able to look for better selling opportunities. So if you use this technical analysis in context to your fundamentals and your current market sentiment at the time, you should be able to find very good trading opportunities. And trust me, if you catch that move, it's gonna pay you well. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I would like you to like and subscribe to my channel for more information, And as you know, sometimes I do change send mappings throughout the week. So enjoy, guys. Do not forget to join my Telegram and Discord channel.